Hello everybody, once again welcome back to my channel. So today we will see that how we can download Windows in our computer system and how we can make pen drive as a bootable. So for that we will first visit in the Chrome browser and I'm going to search here for the Windows 10 download, and here will be the first link. We will have to click on it and then we will click on the three dots which is on the right side on the top, and we will go on the more tools, and here is the option of more tools. Then we will click on the developers tool, and as the developer tool will open, then we will click again on the three dots and we'll go to the more tools, then network conditions. In network condition there is the option of use browser defaults. We will untick and we will select here as a Chrome iPad, as I have already selected, right? Now we will refresh our page. As we will refresh, we will get the latest Windows, which is a version of 23, and we will select here Windows 10 multi editions, then confirm, and it will take a little bit time, and then it will ask you about the language, preferred language. So as I'm going to select it as English, and we will continue it, and it is taking a little bit time, right? It will ask again for the what the bit you want to download. So I am user of 64-bit download, right? So I will download here 64 because I am user of 64-bit computer, right? So it will start downloading. So I will cut some of the part of the this one because it will take time, because it is taking time. It totally depends on the internet, and as it is taking time about 12 or 30 minutes, so I'm not going to make that much long video, so I will cut that part. Meanwhile I will search for the Rufus download. Rufus will help us to just create a pen drive as a bootable, right? So I'm just going to download this soft tool. This tool will not take much time. It will download within a 5 to 10 second, right? Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please do thumbs up and subscribe it, so that we cannot miss any update from my channel, right? So it is already downloading Rufus and Windows, so we will have to for it, and it can take little bit time. So I will have to cut that part, right? So we will have to wait for it. So now I'm going to just cut that part, and we will see that when the download will be complete. So Rufus, our tool software, has downloaded already, and the Windows will take little bit time, but we will have to stay tuned for it, right? So as we can see that our Windows is also about to complete, and it is up already downloaded, right? Now we will run Rufus soft tool as the administrator in computer system to direct pen drive, right? So I am just going to on the files options, and we will click on the Rufus. So as I have come in the Rufus and in the download sections, now we will click here and will right click run as administrator. Now I am going to insert our pen drive which I want to make as a bootable. So you will see that in the device option it will be visible when we will insert pen drive. So as I am just going to insert the pen drive, it's you can see that there's a no label 64 GB. So 64 GB is the capacity of my pen drive, right? And here will be a select option. We will select that window which we have downloaded recently. Now there is the option of partitions. So in partitions you will have to make as a MBR, but here I am just making GPT due to our computer requirement. So but you will have to download in the MBR because now a device is coming which is the supporting to MBR, but I am just by default downloading GPT. So here will be the some options. You will have to just click OK, and you will have to just on next. Now it will start downloading. It will also take time 10 to 20 minutes, so I'm just going to cut that part, and it will be completed successfully. Now you can see, and here we will click on the close. Now our Windows has been downloaded. So if you really love this video, so please do thumbs up and thank you.